Alright, I'm making a video here real quick. Dave, Handyman Express. You're looking at a waste line in the ground under a house, an old house, probably built around 1900. So this is 4-inch steel pipe, and then they got a connector piece. This is all filled with lead and horsehair at one time. So if you want to put, if you got holes in your pipe like this, you know, you're probably gonna have problems with your sewer. See, like, that's really not gonna work, you know. That's a bad drain situation, and that's a bad drain situation, so that's why I'm here. So bad drains won't flow water down the sewer. You get a lot of problems. So what I'm gonna do is, what I've already done is I dug the hole around the earth, and I use a tool like this, and you cut out around the bottom, and you cut around the top. You can't get the whole thing cut out like that, so you got to use one of these guys here, Sawzall. You got to finish the cut on the top side. Then you'll feel it crack, and you pull it out, and then you'll use Frenco adapters. Then you put in all your pieces, and you do all your hookups, and that's how plumbers do it. It's a big messy job. We're running a waste line here to clean out through the wall, so they can access the sewer without going to the basement and moving all kinds of stuff out of their house. So a little bit about what plumbing is, and we'll let you go.